Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In the previous video, I showed you how to create your own personalized QR code generator in Excel. Now, let's take it a step further. In this video, we're focusing on something even more powerful, creating a WhatsApp QR code generator with contact and pre-filled messages. Just imagine this. Someone scans your QR code, and instantly, your WhatsApp chat opens with your number already filled in. And even better, the message is already typed. All they need to do is hit send. This is perfect for businesses, customer support, or even personal use. Now let's get into it. In this version of the generator, we are using cell E5 for the contact number and cell E6 for the message. So anytime you want to generate your WhatsApp QR code, just come here, enter the phone number in E5. Make sure you include the country code. Very important. For example, if you're in Ghana, you can start with 233. Then enter your message in E6. This can be anything. Maybe something like, "Hello, I would like to make an inquiry," or "Hi, I'm interested in your services." Now, as soon as you enter these details, the QR code is automatically generated for you. Behind the scenes, this uses the WhatsApp link format, which connects your number and message into a single scannable QR code. Now let's test it. I'll scan the QR code with my phone, and just like that, it opens WhatsApp instantly. You can see the number is already there, and the message is already typed out. All I need to do is tap send. That's how powerful this is. No need for users to save your number. No need to type anything. Everything is ready in one scan. Now imagine using this on flyers, posters, business cards, or even your website. You're making communication faster, easier, and more professional. Now let's quickly talk about customization. Just like the previous version, you can still change the colors of your QR code, foreground, background, and even use your custom RGB colors. You can also adjust the margin to control how the QR code appears. So you're not just creating a QR code, you're creating something that matches your brand. Now, once you're done, saving it is very simple. Just click on the QR code, copy it, paste it into any image editor, and save it for use anywhere you want. And that's it. You now have your very own WhatsApp QR code generator in Excel, with both contact and message fully automated. Go ahead and try it out, and start making communication easier for your audience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more powerful tools, smart tutorials, and practical tech tips.